Hello, what's up, people? Again, your executive director, Charmaine Arnacua. So, where am I right now? Of course, I'm here in Al Mamzar Beach Park inside Dubai. Parang nga akong nasa Maldives. So, this is one of the places that I went through and I came several years ago after I recovered from my state, and then masasabi ko lang talaga, mas maganda pala pag madalas kaming pumupunta dito. Kasi when was that time? I think that was several years ago. So, right now, since online lang yung class ng mga students, and then it's also encouraged in our government to stay indoors. So, kaya kami free to do whatever we can do even on a working week, no? Wow, I like that one, Dad. I like that one. They're actually playing ball.
Where's my sunglasses?
Yeah, wear your sunglasses,
Where is
Pakoy.
it?
I don't know with you. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys.
Slippery. Oh, slippery, Dad. Can you wash? Can you wash? Slippery.
Ay, nako, Daddy. Iklabaw po ka di kasalo.
Ah, dari. Nice run. Yes. Nice. Yes. Not the him, but here. Stand here. Run your run. Wait, so how you go? Ready. Go.
What is that, Dad? I think I cannot do that.
Oh. Again. Yeah.
What about me, Dad?
Ready.
Sa mukha, eh. Ay, nako.
Ay. Oh, wow. That's good, huh? Ah, go. No, that's not good. Higher behind. Here.
So right now, I'm gonna be putting my sunblock because I will be taking
Wow.
a swim before leaving Al Mamzar.
Good.
So I'm using this sunblock spray. So, see you in a bit. So, I'm on my way to the beach. Akoy! Kanya ka, take a video eh, Daddy! So, ayan. Tapos na kaming mag-beach. We just finished our swim. The weather is good. It's not that really hot. The water is cold. And we are done with our time over swimming today. I guess we have to do this more often. Yes? And the challenge is once you're working online, you can do this because your business and your job is just online. For as long as internet is working, then you are in the business. Yeah? Take care and God bless.